All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. It is the SB model, this beautiful black with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, roof racks, alloy wheels, 12,000 miles on this beauty, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch over here. Let's see, that's 3. That's about 5 inches there. Your hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 630 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread back here is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. All right. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 12,978. Very nice. Keep it moving. Here's your front passenger seat. Your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders, rear AC controls, and rear AC vents. All right, and check out your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. The rear backup sensors, boom, boom, boom. Very nice. Very nice. Of course, you got your trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down. Does have a little space here. And of course, your tucked away your owner's manuals back there. A little chippy here in your lift gate. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Does it have curbing? I don't see any curbing. The tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door does seem to have a dent here. Let's see, about 6 inches. PDR work. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread is at 630 seconds. That pretty much completes the tour. Let me turn on the fog lights. You can see everything working. There we go. Boom. Fog lights are working. Vehicle is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. It is the SB model. Beautiful black on black with 12,000 miles. Questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.